Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a router ZTE and now I will show you how to fix this router SIM port if it not working. Just open, and if do not broken the SIM port, you can fix it. It will be work 100% perfectly. So let's check it out. I have to remove this sticker and then remove this all screw. You need a star screwdriver from here. And then remove this part. And also in the front side have to remove this plastic, and here is 4 screw, also remove this 4 screw. And guys, before was fix this router, now I have to disconnect this connection first. Now I will remove this, and here is antenna connection. I have to remove all the screw here. Okay, and guys, here have 4 screw. You have to remove this 4 screw. Okay, now have to remove all the antenna connection, and before remove this all connection, you have to know which place which connection. Okay, to remove all the antenna connection. Okay, here I have one screw, and you have to remove this also, and remove from here. Okay, now remove this body. And I have to remove also this connection. Here is the SIM port. Guys, before I change the SIM port, I just open and check this SIM port is working. How I fix it, guys? Sometime this still become up. You just make like this, just make it down when you put the SIM port. Okay, and then just wait few seconds. Now my router is working. And it will be work all the SIM port. So I still do not change the SIM port, but it's working good. If I see the SIM connection is broken, then I change. But I see connection is don't broke, but SIM before is not working. Customer side is SIM port not working, but now I fix and SIM port is working, and working is good. And see guys, all this signal is working and net is working perfectly. And see, I connect to the laptop and network is working perfectly. Okay guys, see, everything working good. So guys, now I will return back this SIM port, and here is the SIM port. You know, the all SIM port is good. So you just do like this one, make little bit down for the support SIM card. Okay, now I will disconnect the power and return back all the connection. Okay, so here is our main board. Okay, we have to return back and return back this. And now I have to return back all the antenna connection. So you see first which connection. See, all this connection have to return back. Okay, almost all connection is done. Now I will connect this, And now I return back this connection, and here have one antenna connection also. Return back all the screw. Return back all this extra screw here. So I have to return back all. Guys, almost all everything is done. Now I will return back. This side have to fix. Now I return this connection. The white one there, this is negative and this is the positive connection. Okay, now I have returned back all the screw here. I return back the case. Okay, make tight all the screw. Okay guys, everything is done perfectly. Have to fix this router ZTE.